Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do this iteration in quick method by using calculator. Previously used to find the answer by putting this value here, and it will take a long time. But there is easiest method in calculator, so I'm going to teach that method. So how to do that? So we have initial value over here is x. This is our initial value. So this is our initial. So in initial we have 3.14. So what you have to do is that in calculator put 3.14 3.14, and then after shift you have to put function tan inverse, and what is there x, so you have to put this value over here. So we had already put that answer, that 3.14 in previously, so you have to do answer and plus we have pi here, so we need to do is put pi. So this is our x1, so we can write here x1 gives x1 gives 7 point, okay, so 75.4764, and then after again click equals to this is our x2. Our x2 is 92.3825, and then after again press equals to this is our x3. So x3 we have 92.5214, again press equals to, you will get this is our x4. So our x4 is 92.5223, again press x5. So x5 we have 92.5224, so again press equals to, so it get stop. So it means that this at x6 we get this, so this answer is same here. So we can conclude that this is our root equation. Okay, so like that you can find out other iterative answer by using this method. It won't take more time, so you can use this method to find out your answer in easy way. Do not do simply like put this value, it will take a long time, and there might be chances of getting wrong answer. So this is the easiest form to do the calculation. Okay.